from 3 days from now, because we have 3 days to do this. Even though we needed 5 days, we have 3 days to detangle her hair. So what would you tell future Sarah?
Future Sarah, like 3 days from now?
Yes.
Even without your hair, you still would have made it.
I love that.
But just fly free and keep going.
Oh, I love that.
This braid here, it's like the only loose hair I have, so there we go.
Perfect. And how long is your hair?
Like this? How long is my hair?
Yeah, before it got matted.
The last time, I think it was like here.
And it's been how long? A year?
8 months. It's been less than a year.
Okay.
It was since my accident, and that hasn't been a year yet. I feel like one of those like women from like the 50s. You know those hairdos?
Yes, called Beehive.
Yes.
It's a random braid.
Yeah. Does it tell a story to you? Like all the people's hairs?
Yes.
When it comes in, like it tells stories?
One thing I say about your hair so far, I already know where I'm going to start.
You do?
So I just go with the flow of the hair. I don't go against it, I go with it.
Girl, you're the expert.
I'm the hair whisperer.
Yeah, you are.
I'm a therapist.
Hey, I like that.
Okay, so I'm going to do a detox first, and then we're going to jump in.
All right. Where's my hair?
You all ask the same question.
I got it, girl.
Everybody.
I
When I start, I'll let you know.
Okay.
You know, you asked me something I haven't started yet.
You can't tell. You can't tell just by looking at it.
You can't go by looks.
Really?
No.
So you gotta really get in there.
Yeah, because some people hair look challenging and it's easy, and some people look easy and it's challenging. So hey guys, yeah, so she can't move forward, she can't get a job until her hair is detangled. You know, so we're here. So share, like. And this is a big step for her because she was extremely nervous to be on camera. This is very vulnerable, y'all, to be on camera, especially in 2025 with y'all.
Oh yeah.
But she's like, you know what? I want other people to understand that they're not by themselves and this can happen to anybody.
Depression is very real.
It is.
And I know that there's a lot of people probably hiding just like I was in their homes, just not sure what to do.
So far it's coming along.
Okay, good.
It's doing its thing. I'm like, yeah, you know, met this man next week. Y'all are engaged. I'm like, damn, someone come to detangle my hair so I can be the man.
Listen, a man gonna come through the door and be like, Sarah, man's about to come through the door.
She don't give a damn about that. I'll tell you right now.
But what if he had a set of flowers?
Can the sour take away the pain? No, it cannot.
What if he had Tylenol in the flowers?
Maybe.
Anesthesia, maybe.
Yes.
If you had to say how many people's heads you fixed or detangled, how many would you say?
I've seen over 450 people.
Damn.
And this is like within the last 5 years. I started like 7-8 years ago.
Dang.
I did one client first, and then a couple of months that client, and then after that, a couple of months I went viral, and then back-to-back clients. So I think it's going on year 5 now, 6. No one knows. I can't tell you anymore because I'm just here in life. so yeah, over 400 people. Man, you gotta start making friends.
Yeah.
You really do.
I know.
You deserve friends.
You're a pleasant person.
Yeah, you do. Like, you need people to love you how you love others.
Correct.
But you have to open yourself up for that.
It's hard to find though.
You have to be the friend that you want. You can't want that from other and you can't be it.
I'm just. Yeah.
And it starts by treating yourself a certain way.
Correct.
So be the good friend to you so you can be the good friends to others so they can be a good friend to you. That make sense?
So why did you start your business? Like, how did you?
Because I don't like being told what to do. To be honest, all my jobs been career jobs, and all my jobs are people talking at me versus to me. And I have jobs where I have to talk at people and to people. So I like being my own boss. I like, even though it's so yeah, I like being my own boss. I like my own schedule, even though I miss sometimes having the structure of somebody paying me, and everything already done for me. Like, hey, this is my schedule. I go to work. I can clock out this time and I'll be done.
Right.
When you're an entrepreneur, you're never done.
No.
It's always
working.
Yeah.
You're like, God damn. You lose up to 100 strands of hair per day. Her hair has been matted for 8 months, so all that hair is stuck in here. So like I said earlier, when you hear that noise, it's not the hair that's breaking, it's the hair being pulled apart from each other like Velcro. Because if it was breaking, none of this would be here. All this would have came out. So it is not coming out. And then she barely has any hair coming out in the bucket. So I keep all the old hair in here. This is all the hair that she shed. It falls in, I put it in here. You'll see more of it when I comb it out. And then I use my fingers to feel what I'm doing, and then I work my way through that. Like for example, this is old hair here. I can tell by looking at it. So.
And what is this?
Old hair that she lost like from every day that couldn't fall out. It just falls inside the hair like a lint trap. It just catches all the hair. This is all you're seeing, like this old hair just falling in. It just stacked on top of each other like Tetris.
With the braids in there too?
And then this also comes with your detangling kit as well.
Okay, double.
Cause no one wants to sleep with wet hair.
And that was me for like the past 8 months. I would just throw a beanie on or a scarf. Like.
And that's it. And she is good to go. Woohoo. Her name is Moon. Tell that.
Yes, ma'am. Wow. It definitely was that bottle of conditioner for sure.
And also scalp.
And scalp.
Dirt, oils.
Yeah, like the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar is like pulls it all out. Draws it out.
Has there been times that you've been here like super late?
Yeah, like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Dang, yo.
I try not to do those anymore. But I do it if I have to, like the person's leaving the next day or we need an extra day. This one I'm almost done with, so that was 1 that's about to open up. 2 here, number 2. So I have to remove these before I can get to the actual mat.
This is day 2?
Yes, so 2, got 3 down here, 4, this one is challenging, 5, and small one in here like a 6, and then this one already opened up, and this one in here too, 7, but that's opened up already.
I don't even remember that scene, or this scene.
This is Loki's in it.
Oh, Loki's in it?
Yes, he's being introduced. Like they just, really how long your hair is.
Great voice is a great voice. It doesn't.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's right.
And this is still mad in here, y'all. It's still stuck in there. A lot of it's still stuck in here, y'all.
Well, okay, I need to shut the hell up. I need to shut the hell up.
That was her earlier. Like, why we hitting air going? This is a good angle. Are you recording this so you can see the angle?
Yes, I am seeing the angle.
I'm standing up because I'm trying to get the back detangled because she's so tall. And this piece is free now.
This piece? That's gone.
So I'm going to show you all the old hair that's trapped in here. That's been giving me a hard time.
How many hours have we done? Have we put into this right now?
Over 20, about 25.
25.
Probably more or less. So this piece here, guys, is detangled. And this is her hairline. Look how long it is.
Dang, yo.
Probably this right here is just all split ends.
Sarah, how do you feel about your hair being this way so far?
I'm excited. I can't believe it. It hurts sometimes.
I know.
But I'm so excited.
You're
But I
being
could feel it like really coming out. Like I could feel it in the back. I can't explain it, but I could tell it's getting closer.
Oh,
Big piece, y'all. And then she has a lot of buildup in here too on top of it. All up in here.
Ooh.
That's buildup.
Day 4.
Ooh, it is day 4.
This is what's left to do. Day 4. This is what's free. And this what needs to be done. This piece and this piece left. The number 1 detangler in the world. When I say I'm the best. The best. Inside joke.
Yeah, it's gonna be an inside joke for me.
Yes, it's the time. You owe me this. I want you to look yourself in the mirror because you probably could barely see yourself.
Okay.
Okay, look yourself in the mirror. You ready?
Yes.
I am beautiful.
Okay, I am beautiful.
I am loved.
I am loved.
And I'm enough.
I am enough.
3 things. I am beautiful, I am loved, and I am enough. And that's it.
I feel brand new and happy and grateful for you and everybody that's been here throughout the whole process.
And what would you tell someone that's experiencing this right now, like that's dealing with this?
To reach out and that there's always somebody that cares. Because I didn't know that. But I started crying.